Now if I go to the editor, there is another section, so I would like to complete this section in the same part. Copy and reduce the browser size here to 70 pixel, 90 pixel would be perfect. Let's click on the plus icon, or you can type here group, and then take a look at the design. It comes with the icon and text, then image and the person name. So I'd like to use image first. Media library, and select this one from here, make it center. Then you can add the text that I have just copied. So I think it will not going to paste, or I cannot paste it here. I think somehow there might be some issue. So let's update and reload the editor and see how it works. What's going on in this section here? I'm not sure why it looks like this. Well, let's paste it again. Okay, I'm not sure why I cannot copy and paste my text from the Figma file. So if you have any suggestion or solution, then you can please you can suggest me your comments below here, so that I can improve this later on. Now if I select the text, it's 24 pixel and semi bold, and also the primary color is selected here. Let's change it to 24 pixel, and also click on the plus icon to add appearance and make it semi bold, and change the color to primary color. So if I open the list view and select group, I can only see the images inside the group. So let's drag the text inside the group also, so that I can control them and make width 1000 pixel, and also change the group to wide width. Now I'm going to add the user photo and his location, name. Let's add photo. So type your image, click media library, choose photo from here. So you can choose any of them. I'm going to use this one. Center and make it rounded. Paste her name. The copy paste is working now. And copy the location and also paste it here. So you can make it center and change the typography to bold. Let's take a look at the design. So I just look around here and there, so you might be thinking that it's a very boring something like that, but it's not boring if you just used to on this design and this concept. So I hope you like this editor in the future. Well, let's take a look at here. It's 24 pixel and semi bold here in the color. Let's change it to 24 pixel. Click on the plus icon and appearance, then semi bold, and change the color to this one. Now I'm going to change the spacing at the top and bottom in this username. So basically you cannot change it when you are using the paragraph mode. Now I have to change it to the heading, and I can change it to heading 6, make it center, and then change the typography. So if you take a look, when I select heading 6, it also changed the typography or the font family. Let's change it H4 well, and 24 pixel. Change the appearance to semi bold and also change the color. Now it's time to change the dimension, margin 0. So as you can see, it's working as expected. Also I have to change the margin of this paragraph, so that's why I have to use heading tag from here. So I'd like to use H3 or H4. semi bold, and it's 14 pixel. Align center, and the color should be a little bit gray color. Now it looks like this. So it's if I select the dimension here, you can see the margin. I can make it 0. Now as you can see, it's very close, but I'm not going to use close. I'm just unlink from here and add some margin at the top. 10 pixel is perfect. Now if you take a look at the design closely here, you can see a background color. So I would like to add some background color. I just select group and select color, change background, and change the color. I think is this one. Okay, this one. So I have to copy the color from here. I can copy using this one so that I don't have to copy the transparency here, because I cannot copy the transparency. Now if you take a look at here, so now if I just make it full width, it looks like this. So there is a couple of issue here. Let's take them inside here, and let me describe with you the issue. Also, let's change the background color, the custom color that I have used, or copy, paste it here. Now the problem is, if I close this one here, you can see if I update and reload the page, the problem is the section is some issue, which is there is no padding at the top and bottom, and also there is some margin at the bottom. We can reduce them here, and we can adjust the padding as well. Now if I select the section here, let's select it again from here, and then select the padding. So at the top use 70 pixel, and at the bottom 70 pixel. So I think I could use 90 pixel here, so that it looks at least a big section. Reload the page. Now it looks better now. So we are almost done with our design, and it looks perfect. And we are only using the free Gutenberg editor, which is really useful, and it's really fast, and the loading speed experience is really great using the default Gutenberg. And let's inspect here and see from where the margin or the spacing coming from. If I inspect here, basically it's from where it's coming, I'm not sure. Well, there is something at the bottom which is paragraph, and due to this paragraph there is extra spacing here. So if I remove the paragraph here, do not break your head hitting on your table. Sometimes you might be very confusing when you're using Gutenberg, and I did the same thing again and again, but I have to rearrange and I have to refine them. So this is the section, and in the next part I'll be creating this section. Then we are done with the home page. And thank you so much for watching this video.